Sociology is defined by OpenStax College as the scientific and systemic study of groups and group interactions, societies, and social interactions from small impersonal groups to very large groups. It's a neat concept that has reared its head since the beginning of human civilization. However, the term sociology wasn't coined until 1780 by Emmanuel Joseph Sees in his unpublished manuscript. Almost 60 years later, the term was reintroduced and popularized by Auguste Comte. There are many components to sociology, the most important being the sociological imagination. C. Wright Mills, a famous sociologist, described the sociological imagination as one's ability to understand the connection between one's personal experiences and larger social forces that influence their choices and beliefs. Today, using the sociological imagination and other sociological perspectives, I want to explore the topic of gender, sex, and sexuality in society. To begin, gender, sex, and sexuality are among the most important aspects of people's identities. Sex refers to the biological differences between males and females, while gender refers to personal traits, behaviors, and social standings the society labels male or female. Sexuality is someone's ability to experience attraction and sexual desire. These concepts all have an impact on culture and influence how we interact with the world around us, and in turn, how the world interacts with us. Gender roles are society's view of how men and women should behave. For example, women are often expected to be caretakers and housekeepers, while men are expected to be strong and unemotional. People often act outside gender roles and break gender norms. An example could be a woman CEO with her stay-at-home husband. Being transgender is a complex concept that is often the subject of heated debate. Transgenderism refers to the concept of identifying with a gender outside of the one you were assigned at birth. Take Boswick, for example. Boswick was assigned female at birth, but now identifies as a man. He is considered transgender. One's sexual orientation refers to their emotional, romantic, or sexual attraction to others. Someone's sexual orientation could be homosexual, which means they are only attracted to their own sex. Many people look at gender and sexuality from a conflict perspective. Dominant groups that create and enforce norms, stereotypes, and biases maintain both their social and political advantage. This often leads to the discrimination and oppression of historically marginalized groups. An extreme example could be someone getting forcefully outed as LGBTQ at work, while the individuals responsible for outing the queer person face little consequences because their actions are downplayed due to the social view of outing not being considered a form of harassment. Understanding the concepts of gender and sexuality can help individuals be more aware of the different types of people that stand next to us in the world. By better understanding a key component of a functioning society, it's safe to say that that society will work just a little better. Thank you for watching!